Hey, welcome back to my shop. I'm gonna make a little video today for the Carbide people. I don't actually, I do own. I did buy this guy here, and I have never used it yet. But these are my tools, and this is my sharpening stations, and there's a few missing tools that are over here. So the reason I'm making this video is because I'm a newbie. I've been turning for 8 or 9 months, and I refuse to buy Carbide tools. And you know, when you watch videos and the guys that are pro, everything is perfect. So I'm a newbie. I make mistakes, but for somebody that is turning for like 9 months, I just wanted to share with you the experience I get with traditional tools. So this is a bowl that I just finished turning, and it does have some marks, and I'll talk to you about it in a second. This is a piece of maple, is 15 inches and is wet. So because it's wet, I'm not able to sand it until it dries. And so what you see here is off the tool. And I'm trying to shoot this in 4K with my phone. As you can see, there is no tear out anywhere. And in the inside here, I actually had this perfectly smooth all the way down. What happens is when you turn live edge piece like this, you can't hold the whole thing. You hold a little bit, like an inch and a half, and then do this to the finish, and so on, and you keep moving down the line. So when I was here, like an idiot, I decided to go back up and do another pass, and because the wood is wet, and even if it's not wet, you will have this problem with what, like, the wood will move, meaning it will not be round anymore. So if you go back, like, let's say like 10-15 minutes later, you will end up with this. This will sound really easily, but anyways, I just wanted to show you what you get using the traditional tools. Hopefully they'll encourage you to, give it a try, because it's just amazing when you just spend like 5 minutes sanding and you got a finished piece. I see all kinds of videos where I see tons of tear out, and I mean, like, two lines are easy to sand, but like tear out is really difficult to deal with, and people wind up shaping the piece with sandpaper, and to me it's like that kind of defeats the purpose of getting a lathe, because really, I mean, you can bandsaw something close to it and then sand the heck out of it until it looks good. And anyways, I'm not trying to diss anybody. I know that it's easier, and if you're starting out and you feel comfortable, by all means, I just want to encourage you to give it a try. So anyways, I hope that inspires you, and I'll catch up with you in the next one. Thanks for watching.